And news just coming in, actor Nora Fatehi has been summoned by Enforcement Directorate. Bollywood actor Nora Fatehi has been summoned by ED, and ED has summoned Nora in Tihar jail extortion case worth rupees 200 crore. Bhavtosh Singh is with us to give more details of this. Bhavtosh, take us through the details, please.
Well, in fact, this is the second time that Enforcement Directorate has called Bollywood actor Noora Fatehi to record her statement. She had, in fact, cooperated with the investigating agencies even earlier. The entire case revolves around 200 crore rupees that was extorted by alleged conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar when he was lodged in Tihar jail from an industrious wife, and then subsequently he was in fact arrested by the Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing, and then his wife Lena Maria Paul was also arrested. They were booked under the Organized Crime Act, and ED also filed a case under Money Laundering Act. Apart from Noora Fatehi, another Bollywood actor, Jacqueline Fernandez, also has recorded her statement. She was asked to join the investigation also on 27th September, but she skipped her summons, and then another summon has been issued, and she has been told to join the investigation on 15th of October. Now, ED is very tight-lipped as to why these two actors are being called repeatedly at ED's office, but going through the documents that have been placed before the court, ED has said that this is a perfect case of money laundering, where there has been layering and also laundering of money by Sukesh Chandrasekhar and several people were involved in this entire case. Now, Sukesh Chandrasekhar, through spoofing of phone calls, had managed to dupe an industrious wife. This industrious was arrested in a case of money laundering and also that of cheating and forgery. He was first arrested by the Delhi police and subsequently by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, according to ED, they have said that several people have helped Sukesh Chandrasekhar to run this extortion racket, and they have said that both the Bollywood actors will be called repeatedly in this case. They suspect that several people have helped Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife. Presently, Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife are in the custody of ED. They're not ruling out the possibility that Noora Fatehi and Jacqueline Fernandez, who has been called tomorrow by the ED, will be confronted with Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife, Lena Maria Paul.
Right, Bhavtosh, thank you for sharing all those details.